Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We are going to start with the chapter subtraction. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtraction facts, numbers up to 10. Make a number using subtraction numbers up to 10. Ways to make a number subtraction sentences. Ways to subtract from a number subtraction sentences. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, so here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is subtraction. Let's just start with the first lesson. Earlier we did subtraction skill builders, right? There we have learned how to subtract. Now we're going to use the method we learned to subtract and we're going to do the different operations, right? The different things with subtraction. Let's just start with the first lesson. That is subtraction facts numbers up to 10. Okay, the first one is subtract 3, take away 1. So we already know how to subtract. You can subtract by using so many ways. The first thing is start with 3 and count up till 1, right? So 3 and 2, then the next one is 1, right? So how many from 3 until 1, how many numbers do we have? 3 until 1 we have 2 numbers. So 3 take away 1 is 2, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 9 take away 9, which is the correct option? 9 take away 9, you are subtracting a number from itself, right? And subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 9 take away 9 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is 9 take away 6. So which is the correct option? Another way to subtract is count up. Start with the smaller number, count up till the greater one. So start with 6 and count up till 9. 7, 8 and 9. So how many numbers do we have from 6 until 9? From 6 until 9 we have 3 numbers. So 9 take away 6 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 take away 6 is 3. Okay, the next one is 0 take away 0. So which is the correct option? 0 take away 0 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 3 take away 0. So which is the correct option? So whenever you subtract 0 from any number, the number stays the same. So 3 take away 0 is 3, right? Subtracting a number from any number, when you subtract 0 from any number, the number stays the same. So 3 take away 0 is 3. The next one is 8 take away 2. So which is the correct option? Start with the smaller number, count up till the greater one. So which is the correct option? 8 take away 2 equals. I'm waiting for the answers from your side. So 8 take away 2 is. Eight take away two is very good. Six it is. Option number three is the correct option, right? Eight take away two is six. Okay. The next one is seven take away zero, so which is the correct option? That is seven take away zero is seven. So subtracting a number, when you subtract zero from any number, the number stays the same. So seven take away zero is seven. The next one is six take away three. So which is the correct option? Six take away three is three. It is right. The correct option is three. Okay, the next one is 7 take away 6, which is the correct option. 7 take away 6 is the correct option is 1. Very good. So 7 take away 6 is 1. Okay, the next one is 9 take away 0. So which is the correct option? Yes, any number subtracting from 0, the number stays the same. 9 take away 0 is 9. Okay, the next one is 4 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 4 take away 1 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? And the next lesson is make a number using subtraction numbers up to 10. How do you make 3? You are given 3 of the 4 of the options. You have to see which option makes 3, right? Just subtract them and see which one makes 3. 4 take away 2 is, start with the first one. 4 take away 2 is 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. 5 take away 1 is 4. And 5 take away 2 is 3, right? So here is the only option that makes 3. So that is 5 take away 2 equals 3. Got it? The last option is the correct one. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You are given the options, just subtract them and check which one have the required answer. Like the next one is how do you make 1? You are given 4 of the options. So which is the correct option? So you are given 4 of the options. Very good. That is 3 take away 2. Option number B is the correct option. That makes 1, right? The only option that makes 1 is 3 take away 2. How do you make 4? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That is 5 take away 1. Option number C is the correct option. 5 take away 1 makes 4. How do you make 2? Which is the correct option? That is option number 2. Very good. 3 take away 1 is 2. Option number B is the correct option. How do you make 3, which is the correct option? That is the last option. 5 take away 2 is the correct option. That's the only option that makes 3. So D is the correct option. How do you make 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 take away 4. Option number D is the correct option. That's the only option that makes 1 right. So 5 take away 4 is the correct option. How do you make 2, which is the correct option? Yes, that's option number C. 4 take away 2 is 2. Option number C is the correct option. How do you make 1, which is the correct option? That is option number A is the correct option. 2 take away 1 is 1. That's the only option that makes 1 right. Okay, the next one is how do you make 2, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That is 3 take away 1. Option number D is the correct option. 3 take away 1 is 2. How do you make 4, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 take away 1. That is the only option that makes 4. So 5 take away 1 is the correct option. How do you make 1? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 take away 4 is 1. Option number A is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is ways to make a number subtraction sentences. Let's just start with the lesson. Here are some ways to make 0. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So we are given the pattern. And every number when you're subtracting makes 0. Like 5 take away 5 is 0. You have a missing number. Then 3 take away 3 is 0. Then 2 take away 2 is 0. Then 1 take away 1 is 0. So you have to find the missing number, right? Like which pattern in the pattern, which number is missing. So start with 5 and 3. So what you need to find which number is missing. So in between 5 and 3, you have 4. So that means the missing number is 4 take away 4 is 0. Got it? So the missing one is 4 take away 4 is 0. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see which one is. Here are some ways to make 1. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? Which option is missing? Just look at the first number, right? They are 5, missing number 3, 2, 1. So the number between 5 and 3 is 4. So here you have 4, right? Now you have a subtraction sign. Look at the second number 4, 2, 1, 0. The number are decreasing by 1. So which number is between 4 and 2? That is 3. So 4 take away 3 is 1. So that means the missing number is 1. That is 4 take away 3 equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Here are some ways to make 0. Find a pattern and type the missing sentence. So which number is missing? 4 take away 4 is 0. 3 take away 3 is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. So which option is missing? Just look at the missing number. Which number is between 2 and 0? Between 2 and 0, you have 1. So that is 1 take away 1 is 0. The correct option is option number 2. 1 take away 1 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 take away 1 is 0. Okay, here are some very good. Here are some ways to make 1. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which sentence is missing? You have 5, 4, right? So between 4 and 2, you have 3. So that means here you have 3. Then 4, 3. The mid, so between 3 and 1, which number it is? 2 it is. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, right? And when you 3 take away 2, the answer is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 take away 2 is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Here are some ways to make 0. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which subtraction sentence is missing? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 2 take away 2 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Here are some ways to make 1. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? That is 2 take away 1 is 1. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? Because between 3 and 1 you have 2 here, and between 2 and 0 you must have 1. So that is 2 take away 1 is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number C is the correct option. Here are some ways to make 0. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is the correct option? That is 3, take away 3 is 0. The last option is the correct one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is ways to subtract from a number, subtraction sentences. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, here are the ways to subtract from 6. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So you need to find the missing one in the pattern, right? So the first one is you're subtracting from 6, so the first number is 6. The second one, 0, 1, 2, 3. The numbers are increasing by 1. So next to 3 is 4, that is 6, take away 4 is. So that means the missing one is 6, take away 4 is 2. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Here are ways to subtract from 5. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So you're subtracting from 5, right? So the first number must be 5, and the second one you need to look for 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. They're increasing by 1, right? So 1 plus 1 makes 2, that is 5. Take away 2 is 3. That is the missing number, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5. Take away 2 is 3. Here are the ways to subtract from 10. Find a pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which sentence is missing? You are subtracting from 10, right? So the first number must be 10. Then the second one is you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are increasing by 1, right? So right next to 7 you have 8. That is 10. Take away 8 is 2. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 10. Take away 2. Here are the ways to subtract from 8. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentences. That is 8. Take away 8 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is 8. Take away 8 is 0. Here are the ways to subtract from 4. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. Yes, that is 4. Take away 4 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Here are the ways to subtract from 9. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentences. Yes, that is 9. Take away 3 is 6. Option number 3 is the, like 1 is the correct option. Sorry. Here are the ways to subtract from 6. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? That is 6. Take away 1 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Here are the ways to subtract from 5. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which sentence is missing? The correct option is 5. Take away 0 is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Here are the ways to subtract from 5. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 7. Take away 6 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we were working on is subtraction. So we were working on the chapter subtraction. The lessons we have covered today are subtraction fact, numbers up to 10, make a number using subtraction, numbers up to 10, ways to make a number subtraction sentences, and ways to subtract from a number subtraction sentences. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can join me in the uh, chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions if you need more help with any of the lesson in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any questions. Okay, then that's all for today.